Hello my friends, in this video tutorial for Fusion Davinci Resolve we will learn how to make transitions. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Davinci Resolve, start dragging the pictures or video just like this. You can hold shift and arrow keys back 2 seconds. Press B to cut. And link by making new Fusion clip. Just like this. And then click on Fusion. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial, you can click on link under the video and video description. There you will learn the difference between foreground and the background and the merges and how to change the resolutions and also how to make a template. Alright, once you open the Fusion you will get media out, you will get the merge and media in 1 and media in 2. Media in 2 will be underneath in the background and media in 1 will be on the foreground. And in this merge then you can move it left, right, up, down, or you can resize, you can rotate it and change the blend mode for opacity. Now this one is very simple, and in the next example here I will show you this is basically the same, but this one gives you more options. As you can see here, this one have a rectangle, and when you go in this media out and press number 2 on the keyboard, with this mask rectangle you can also shrink it down and mask it. So let's recreate this here. First you will get media out. You get the media out, you get one merge, another merge, and media in number 1 and media in number 2, just like this. And because this is the media in 2 that we want to reveal, will be as a background. And then connect this merge to another merge and media in. And now take the background. This background will be swapped for the background for the yellow arrow, and media in will be for the green arrow. And then the mask here, just like this. But as you notice here, black background, we don't see the picture. This is why, because we didn't change alpha all the way to 0 on this background, and now it will reveal the picture. Alright, on to our next example. Example number 2. This one is much bigger, and this one gives you more options. This one will be revealed by sliding up and down. As you can see, when I move the timeline, it revealed the picture underneath. Let's recreate this. Obviously, we will copy media in. We will copy media in number 2. Take the media out. And now drag and drop merges. This one will be for the background. Connect to the media out. Then we will have the merge here with the background. Connect to the background, connect media into the green arrow, and then we will have two merges like this. Connect the merge here, connect the merge here for the foreground, take the background, but we will not take the new one. We will change this one to all the way to 0 for the alpha, and just Control C for copy and Control C for the paste, and connect to the background yellow arrow, just like this. Now we will take the mask rectangle, just like this, connect the rectangle again. We will change the rectangle, click on this merge here, number 2 on the keyboard to see, and enlarge it width all the way to 1 and height all the way to 1. But the center y-axis will be 1. And now you will see only half the picture. Same thing here on the bottom rectangle, all the way to 1, enlarge it all the way to 1, y-axis 0, and now it will reveal the bottom half. And now just take these two without the background, Control C to copy, Control V to the paste, like this. Connect the background to the yellow arrow, just like this. Move it a little bit so it will look nicer. And then connect to the green arrow merges, just like this. And as you can see, this one connect to the other merge, just like this, and we will get the merge here. And this merge will go to the next merge that go to the media out. Now to animate this, we will do like this. Press 2 on the keyboard for next merge here, and on this merge here we will change the y-axis to 1, and on the bottom merge y-axis to 0. And now, as you can see, it's gone. And to animate this, we will go to the last frame, keyframe here, go to the first frame, number 0, keyframe here, and y-axis 0.5. The first merge, the same thing, keyframe here, keyframe last one, and keyframe here, y-axis to 0.5. And now both of them are moving up and down. And when you click on the media out, and it will reveal the picture underneath. Alright, now on to the last example. This is the example 3. This one is look quite intimidating, but it's not very hard. Principle is the same. You will get media out with the merge and media in for the background, for the reveal. And the media in 1 go inside this merge with the background, and this is the main part where you get the effect. As you have noticed, I added 2 more merges with the rectangles on top and the bottom, and I added trails and another 4 merges with the rectangles. and all the animation is done in these merges. This one is for the copy. This one is for the sliding effect. It will slide. I will show you when I click on the keyboard. Number 2 on the keyboard to see what's going on, and you'll see that is sliding. With the first, this one is for the mask and this one is for the animation. When you click on the next one, you will see the corner, and when you click on this one, you see other corner, and this one is for the bottom right. It's animated, and here on the last merge here, you will see that I animated with the blend, so it just disappear on the last frame. And because you cannot merge four nodes in one merge, you need to merge two merges inside one merge, two merges inside one merge, and then these merges you can merge inside the last merge, and this one go inside the media out. If you want to recreate this, is the same principle. You just copy media in for the merge and the background. This merge with the background need to be alpha reduced all the way to 0 as on the second example. And then for the media out, when you press here, media in to it go inside the merge and go inside the media out. When you click on the keyboard, you will get it. Now you just take the background, copy and paste here. This one will be background for all the merges. So just take 4 merges, make it more nicer like this, and connect to the foreground. Don't forget this, you cannot make the effect on the background. Effect needs to be on the foreground. Connect all the connections. Okay, now take the rectangle, connect the rectangle like this. Control C to copy. Actually change the width all the way to 1, and now we can copy. Control C, Control V, just like this. And on the bottom, connect for the mask, just like this. And then all you have to do is copy all 4 just like this and connect like that to the foreground again, like this. Background, 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 and another background again up here. Now you could just connect like this for the merges, and connect the merges like this. Okay, and now if you want to have the effect, you go in this merge, and of course you just change the center to 0 and Y1, and now you will get this square. As you can see when you press number 2 on the keyboard, it's like this. This one is full. Okay, now you go in this rectangle, change the center to 1, y-axis 1, and this is the other one, as you can see when I click. Now third one, rectangle, center, this one will be 0, and y-axis will be 0. And the fourth one, 1 and 0. And we'll check on the 2, press 2 on the keyboard for check if it's everything okay. Alright. And for the animation, you just press 2 on the keyboard, and you can just move like this and make the animation. To make the animation, you just have to press on the first keyframe, go in this merge here for the keyframe, here and for the keyframe, and move. For the last one, you move x will be 1 and y will be 0. And then when you move on the timeline, you see the effect reveal. And when you click on the keyboard for the media out, you see that this last merge that we animated, revealing the picture underneath. The same goes for the other one. Go in frame number 0, keyframe here, last keyframe here, and where you want it to go. That will be x will be 0, y will be 0, and as you can see, is revealing the bottom half. The top one, again, number 0, keyframe, last one, keyframe, the last one, last merge, just the last keyframe here, keyframe 0, keyframe, and center will be 1, will be 0, and y will be 1, and then it will reveal everything. Whole picture will be revealed. And now if you want to add some effects, you can put the glow, you can put shadow, and you can rotate also, or you can use your imagination. That's it. Good luck. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.